Okay, hi, my name is Timmy. I'm gonna do the chili powder challenge. Yay, whatever. So I have to take this chili powder and pour it into this big old spoon. So here I go. Ew, it's nasty. The fucking look like fucking dirt grounded up. This shit don't come out. Excuse me. Come out. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, this is good. Look at that. Look at that shit. Let me just get my water bottle. Okay. Let me get my water bottle. So they said I gotta swallow it. So, okay. I like shit. Fingers crossed. Thank you. What the fuck? That is nasty. That is nasty as fuck. What the? What is it? Ah!